So Sarah and I just got onto the canoe, and this is probably my first time canoeing. If I've done it before, I don't remember. But we haven't gone very far. Ours is the one with the orange roof. If you could see that there. There's some seagulls over there. But yeah, we're just gonna canoe. We're probably gonna go as far as we possibly can before our arms fall off and then come back. But should be fun.
Didn't know all the words to that song.
Little in the middle, but you got much back. Sarah and I just got our tan on. I'm in a bathing suit. It's like a bandeau one from Victoria's Secret. And Joe and his friend Daniel went on a hike. And yeah, we're just gonna chill out. I think we're having hot dogs and stuff like that for dinner tonight. We're gonna all take showers and continue on with the day. So today we're heading out to Algonquin Park. We're going to go on a trail. It's apparently 11 kilometers long. Don't mind my hat and my funny hair. It's what I gotta do to avoid too much sun exposure. Sweet. Yeah.
Cool.
What's this trail called again? Centennial Ridges. Holy hell. Cool, man.
Yeah.
Wow.
I'm holding my iPod so tight.
I know, I don't have a strap on my camera.
Even if it falls there, it's gone. I want to try to get that lake.
I don't know what was going on. I couldn't breathe. Number 2.
Hasn't broken yet. I mean, he's been doing his job.
This is a beaver dam.
That's amazing.
Is that your stomach?
Yeah.
Wow. I think I got that on camera. Sounded like a bear growl.
He's done a very good job with this beaver dam.
Yes.
Yeah, good job, beaver.
There you go.
Yeah. We just stopped in this area. I can't remember what it's called. And it's just a little bit of a sand beach. There's some kids playing. There's like a big cabin over there. I think it's called the Killarney Cabin. We just came and ate some lunch, some sandwiches, and some banana bread. And now we're gonna go on to a different trail. We didn't do the full Centennial Ridge. We just did some of it. Raspberry bush. Always looking for stuff. So this is basically all berry bushes and stuff like that. We've taken a few blueberries. We're not supposed to take too many, which is fine. We're not going to. Oh, cool. Grasshopper. Meh. Hey, buddy. I'm freaky. But yeah, lots of blueberries and stuff. Do you have the bottle?
Mm-hmm.
by the road here. And this bridge is closed, so we're kind of makeshifting our way. What happened? There's a beaver? That's funny. This is the beaver's little house here. He took parts of the bridge so that they like... Oh, there's even more under there. He went to town. Exactly. Yeah. The fan in mine and Joe's room is either like super duper fast and super noisy or super duper low. That doesn't give off like any air at all. So it's on super duper fast until it's time for us to go to bed. We're just waiting for our other friends to come, and they left pretty late from Toronto, and it takes about 3 hours to get here, so it might take them a little while. But this is just my outfit. Don't mind the disaster behind me. These are just workout leggings and a tank top from Forever 21. I just got out of the shower. I'm gonna do my hair. I've been using the Live Clean argan oil, and it's actually really nice. I like it a lot. I'm wearing makeup for the first time all trip. This is the e.l.f. Mineral Foundation in Light. It covers pretty nicely. I have a few pimples, but I don't really care. And then the Marcel Twist Up mascara. I'm really loving this. I'm gonna have a review really soon on that actually. And just a Reebok sweater. We're waiting for our friends to come. Wow, my face looks a lot darker than my neck in this mirror. I'm gonna have to switch that. Add a little bit to my neck and my chest. I need to tan more. Thought I would just update.